This is Livewrightnow. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with something different. I am coming to you with a tutorial on how I got these gorgeous braids. My hair's been braided for about 3 weeks, but I'm going to show you how you can refresh the braids, make them look brand new. I was able to braid my own hair with braiding it myself, kind of using the crochet method, using the rubber band method with my very extremely short hair. Keep watching.
Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for your support.
Alright, while you're looking over some of the supplies you may need, I want to give you some further information. The reason I didn't record myself doing my hair from the beginning is because this was the first time I ever tried this technique, and I wasn't exactly sure how it was going to turn out. So once I figured out the best way, I ended up trying different things, and hopefully I'm able to express the different tips and tricks that I figured out as I went along. And the first thing I figured out is when I did the Senegalese twist with my hair being so short, it worked, but I got a better grip, or better, I shouldn't say a better grip. When I went to style my hair, that sometimes the Senegalese twist would come out, but when I braided it, none of them moved. But now that my hair is longer, I think I would feel comfortable doing the Senegalese twist now. And even though I am using these rubber bands, I did not make them tight, and I removed them and added them numerous times from doing my hair, and I haven't noticed any breakage. Okay, I'm going to take the crochet hook and put it under the rubber band, and then I'm going to close the latch, pull in one side of the braiding hair, and twist the hair as normal, like you would do a regular Senegalese twist, making sure that I tuck that little piece of hair under one of the sides so it's not sticking up, so it's not visible. I'm doing this once, and I will be doing it again, so that you would get an idea of exactly what I'm doing. And of course, at any time you can pause it and replay any part that you're not sure about. That's the wonderful thing about this being a video. Again, I'm going to take the crochet hook and apply it under the rubber band, because that's what's going to keep that hair taut as you are twisting it. And put the hair on the hook, close it up, pull one side through, and then you're going to twist as normal. Again, assuring that you take your own hair on one side and tuck it behind the braiding hair so it's not visible. I did want to mention that I did use about 5 or 6 packages of hair. Depending on how long you want it would determine how many packs you would need. I didn't cut the pack, so I used it exactly the length that it came, which was 28 inches. I did not cut it again. And I don't know how many hours it took, because I never do my hair all in one day. So I just do a little bit and then stop and start again. I normally take one weekend and I get it done before that weekend is out. I just can't sit still long enough for that. Okay, I wanted to show you how I did this optional step. I do have on a tube dress, excuse me, because again, when I do this, I'm relaxing. And I am taking the braiding hair and I'm sectioning it out to make sure that the braids are about the same length. And no matter if I'm doing a Senegalese twist or the braids, this is how I would have them laid out so that I can just keep going and don't have to stop. However, this is optional. You can just keep taking it from the big braid if that's what you want to do. But this is what I would do, and I would normally stand up right there in front of that mirror and just keep it braiding. Okay, now going on to the box braids. Like I said before, you can start off with the whole section or you can make the braid pieces. I was just in the hair and I just want to do this one braid for you guys to show you. But I would take the regular braid section that I just showed you and I would just take half of a half, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of this Gorilla Snot and I'm going to add it to the piece that I'm about to braid, just a little bit. It gets tacky. And I think it helped as far as keeping the rubber band um, stable and also the parts look neater because when I start sweating my head and when I start sweating, that gel kind of keeps it still so that it stays in place. Again, I'm going to take the Kanekalon hair and I'm going to take the first piece of Kanekalon hair, make sure that it's even, and then I'm going to take a piece that's like half the size of that piece and wrap that piece around the rubber band, and I'll make the two smaller pieces my third piece. I'm going to tuck my hair behind the middle piece and I'm just going to braid the hair down. I'm braiding, I think it's this is overhand, or it doesn't do it matter if you do it overhand or underhand. Just make sure you tuck that little piece in so it is not detected and keep it going. Okay, now I'm just going to let you watch. I'm going to be doing one right in the front, one kind of in the middle, and one in the back so you can see how I'm able to do it myself. Like I said before, still using that one section that I already made for each braid. I'm going to put the hook in there and I'm going to take the 75% of that braid hair and I'm going to take that and pull it through one half, and then the little small piece of 25% of that one braid section of hair, I'm going to take that small piece and I'm going to make that my third piece for my three pieces for the braid. So as you can see, I wrap it around the rubber band and I'm going to pull it together. So that's my third piece. But yet the other two pieces, the first loop I added, are those are like the second piece and the third piece so that I can braid it as normal. And of course here I'm just showing you how I knot the ends so they don't unravel. And after you get the hair all braided, and you have to dip the braids in boiling hot water, it makes it look neater, and it also seals the braids. But I could not show it on camera because it can be a bit dangerous with the water being so hot. So I just took the towel to dry them off, and now I'm going to cut them even so that it looks nice and neat. Also, when you dip the braids in boiling hot water, you want to do it with small sections. And even when you cut the braids, you want to do it in different sections. I just did it in these 2 sections because, again, I was just refreshing some braids. But if this was my hair completely braided, I would have went through and did this again. And here we are with the finished results. I love the way that it turned out. Hopefully you like it too. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial, and I am deciding whether or not I should do a styling video. If you are interested in see how I style these long braids, put it down below and let me know that you want to see that video. Also let me know that how many styles you would like to see, because I'm not really sure how many I want to do, but I have to see if there's interest out there before I put the video out. Love you guys. Make sure you click that subscribe button, and so you'll miss any of the fun. The content is going to be coming more regularly. I'm so excited the direction that I want the channel to go into. I say this is a beauty channel because it's all things beauty, whether it is hair, makeup, home decor, interior design. Just make your world just sparkle. I love you guys, and don't forget to thumbs this video up if you want to see more videos like this. I thank you guys for your support and being patient with me. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.